Hello everybody, it's Sierra, the Artsy Badger, and it's October 1st, which means it's time to start Inktober. So this year for Inktober, I'm using this Midori sketchbook in the size A5. A lot of the YouTubers I watch say this notebook is really good for Copic markers, so I'm really excited to try it out. The markers I'm going to be using are BV11 Soft Violet, R12 Light Tea Rose, YR65 Atoll, Y21 Buttercup Yellow, G24 Willow, and E71 Champagne. I'll also be using my Prismacolor Col-Erase in Lavender, my usual black inking pens, and my Uni-Ball Signo gel pen. Although lots of YouTubers recommend this notebook, they say it's pretty flimsy, so I'm gonna make a custom cover. Off to Joanne. They have so many Halloween goodies. And so much Halloween paper. I decided to go with more of a sleek Halloween look than a Halloween patterned look. I'm also going to be using this cardstock to make it even more sturdy. Time to take the dust cover off. And now for a cover DIY montage. Perfect fit. Time to glue. I've never done anything like this before, so this montage is not meant to be instructional or a how-to. I really just made it up as I went along, but I think it turned out okay. And this is what I ended up with. I'm pretty happy with it. Now let's get arting. This is the prompt list I'm going to be following. It's by Adelaide Arts. It's for drawing witchy familiars. I'm doing all my sketches in ballpoint pen to make it feel like I'm actually participating in the Inktober challenge. Let's get started on this Inktober drawing. So, spoiler alert, I end up actually doing this drawing twice. This first one I made the cat orange, which I don't think that was a bad decision. but when I ended up inking the cat, it just looked really plain, and I ended up not really liking the way it looked. I also messed up on the face. His mouth is really creepy. I kind of fix it later, but yeah, this first drawing is just a total mess. And I really ended up having a bit of a breakdown about it, but luckily I talked to my partner, and he, as always, spoke to me words of wisdom and told me that it isn't a big deal to mess up on something, and that if I really wanted to, I could draw it again, and so that's what I did. But that's for later. So this is the moment where things just went downhill. I decided to give the cat stripes, but I didn't sketch them out first, so he just kind of looks like a tiger instead of a tabby cat. And then I try to give him a white nose, and then try to take away the white nose, and I just like totally mess it up. And I don't like the way the shoes turned out, and so I just end up redoing it. But let's get back to the video. Now, looking at this pan over, it doesn't look as bad as it felt at the time, but I still ended up redoing it. So what I did was I went to the back of the book, because I'm not going to be able to fill this book for this Inktober anyway, and I cut out a sheet of paper, used some of my washi tape, decided to just draw it again. This time went a lot faster because I pretty much just traced it, but I just tried to make better decisions in my color choices, and the position of the cat I felt like needed to be adjusted. But I hope you guys don't mind kind of watching the same thing happen again, but hopefully you will be able to see me remedy my mistakes. And hopefully you like the decisions I made in the end. Even though I don't hate the first one as much as I did in the beginning, I still think this one is a more successful drawing, and I'm happy that I redid it. And that is October 1st, the cat familiar. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this October 1st video, and I'm really looking forward to the rest of Inktober. And I will see you on Saturday.